1, go. Hi guys! Ako na sad. Naami sa Space Needle. We're going to Mars. Come and follow me. Mars looks like toy.
Agoy!
Thomas, take my picture. Oh, you guys can go.
Agoy!
Okay.
Ay, Ella.
What? Ready?
Ay! Kangilo. Tom?
Okay, your turn.
Wait. Tamas. Ginoo ko yung taon. Kangilo. Jesus. Agoy, ang akong pugan, Lord. Ang akong pugan, Lord. Ay, ginoo ka, kangilo.
Mom, are you straight up? You're literally holding my brother's jacket.
Ay, kangilo. Ay, gate. It's okay, you're okay. Ginoo ko in town. Ano, nagbayad ka mahadlok. May gani in town, nagsulob ko og napkin. Kay murag ning ihi gamay da. Sus, Kangilo, Ginoo ko, Lord. Kana siya mo na siya.
Picture?
I don't know. Dili man kay maklaro.
Oh, you want a picture?
Pero, tanawa ko. Ay! Come on.
Nice.
Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Mga brave, ragay sila. Ay, Kangilo. Akong lupot ng keyboard. So, ninglihok na. Kunya kung lakas na kay, hi! Kung lakas na kay kadiha, pwede ka mo patong, pero surak. Tayo mong keyboard eh. Uy! Akong keyboard, Lord.
Tay vlog? No. Uy, naalagyan na. Unsa man na siya? What is the powder there?
Oh my goodness. No, photography ko din eh. Dali lang ko. Ay. Oh my God.
Thomas, come here.
Ay. Sa there again. Okay, at least akong sapatos ni Ana. Ay, dahil nahulog na. Wait. Ay! Ay! My big cat, look at that. Unsa man ni siya? Pacific na siya? Unsa man kay? I think na ang mga island mo.
I want to say it's a lake, but I don't want to be wrong.
I am getting closer to the edge.
High five, Mom.
It says do not sit. Do not stand or sit. Mura mo kong nalipong.
Mom, Dad, you want a picture?
Where?
You too?
Okay.
Hala. Oh gosh. Look at them. Alaana daw siya. Hindi daw siya mahadlok. Lagi siya mahadlok. Lagi daw. Tanawa.
It'll be downtown Seattle, straight up. As we come down, we also have a great view of Mount Rainier just to the right there. Towering at just under 14,500 feet to the top of that there. That one is indeed an active volcano, although it's been about 600 years since it's exploded, so some say it's due. As we come down to the right of downtown Seattle, with the big white arches there is Lumen Field, the Seahawks Stadium, and just behind it with the black arches is T-Mobile Park, the Mariners Stadium. So they're right next to each other there. Once we get back down to the gift shop, there's going to be exits all around, restrooms just straight across the way, and the valet parking to the right there.
Grey's Anatomy daw na siyang exterior. So, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of Grey's Anatomy, pero sige, akong anak. Agay! O, saan na? Oy! Hurry up! That's him right there. That's him. Start. That's him. Yeah, that's him. Siya yung may-ari. Oh, display? Only? Ah, okay. Oh, so display lang pala. Oh. Alright, see? He started from a very humble beginning. I-adapt daw na siya. Kanya, gidala dire. They own the place. Karon na, dihatag na niya ang place yun. So, they are in the middle of the city. Sa town, sa kuan yun, ilang city yun. So, see? Typical Filipino. Okay. Tapos, murag na ay siya ikuan na Hawaiian. Kina siya mga anak ng Hawaiian. See? Dili ka makikita sa sawan niya nani. Daghan kayo kag option. She used to own the place. Oh, right there. That's the owner. Thank you! Salamat po! So this is not for sale. Decoration lang na and then, but you will use it too. Okay? So, very nice place. Huh? Yeah. Thank you! Kain tayo! Kain tayo! Okay, that's his family. Hi, Tom. Hi. University of Washington. See?
This is their campus. It's very bright.
Kung eskwela ka rin, imong gibayaran ng view. Kadali, ha? Okay. Parti yung nindo, tagid na lang yun sa view. Dili ang kanang lalaki nagpadung. Wait.
Can I have pizza?
Thomas, you just ate. See? Alright. Nice.
Like this.
Nice.
It's $1.
You just ate.
Gracias.
Na sa tiger. Ay nag-tiger na. Ang sama ni. Kana dapat na siya mo color na siya. Wala man. Human na siguro. Nindot gina mag-eskwela ta. Pa na sila problema magpangbayad sa eskwelahan. Kailang mga ginikanan ang bayad. Higda-higda lang. Lakaw-lakaw. Dua-dua bola. Dua-dua aeroplano. See? Ingon si Thomas, eskwelahan ba daw ni nga kanong daghan ang naa sa gawas. Hi!
Hello, vlog!
Dili lang makita maayo, pero nara sa likod si yung tago sa lang fountain kana May dalon lang na ako kung ate sa mga university. Kay dili pa man mag-college ate, dili man siya sa university. Adto man siya sa locally.
Oh, look at this house
In a
here.
quarter of a mile. Turn
In
right
the
on
corner.
Prospect Street.
I think this is where the Grey's Anatomy house.
Pero daw ta makakita daw tag nindot kay nga bukid. Kadali ha. Nasad. Kita ta tanaw na to tam. Oh, sus Ginoo ko ang bukid. Dira. Excuse me. Oh my god. Mo na lang bukid. Natabunan naman ang bukid og kuan. Natabunan na sa
Thomas move.
oh, diha mi kaganina, kana. Diha mi na.
Can you hold up my phone? Thomas,
This area gives me San Francisco vibes.
But I want to like do it like here. You can't. It's video.
Kabuutan sa bata.
Wait.
Nagkuha ang bata sa iyang trash can oh. Partang buutan na.
So we're going to Grey's Anatomy. So now show them the park that we just went to. It's too bright.
It's too bright.
Ato daw mi sa Grey's Anatomy. Okay, follow me.
I think I got it.
Okay.
Wait, Tom, come on.
Oo, kasabot nga nung itong ilang mga langgam dere. See? Asa naman to sa ilang? Ay, Ginoo ko. Basta palakton lagi ko, mag-abot akong ginhawa eh. Sus.
Alright, focus on me, but don't zoom in. Zoom out all the way. Zoom out, not in.
So where's the house? This house?
This house.
Oh.
Grey's Anatomy house. The intern house.
Very nice. It's clear? Pasig River ne, Pasig River.
Who wishes it's a Pasig River?
Sus, matakilid mo niya eh. Pasig River ah. Mo-retire ko, mag-buy sa kunya ko ginani. Mangita ko graver. Ato sa ko mag-buy. So, naa dito ang tamhangs nga balay. Katong floating house. Right there. Sa other side lagi daw. Basta na di ha. Dito na may gikan sa mga floating house ganina. Very nice gid ang floating house. Well, kung tiguwang ka niya, nakas floating house, dangerous for you, sige ka hagba. Dito ang balay ni Tamhangs. Westlake Floating House. Dili sad mi tangtong hilig og chicken. Ingon si Ace. Look over here, babe. Ingon si Ace. Chicken wings is chicken wings kung dili daw spicy. Na, tanawa. Ugo, pagkakurot. Klaro nga, klaro ka. Picture. Gamit. Spicy. Ella, let me see. But, nakabuk chicken kan Ella, ha? Kita mas tahu, praktek siya. Kaya isa na kanong kamot ang bugaw. Hala ka rin. Dili ko makapiright, ani? Oh, thanks. Tabunan lang na nato kay ditaganhan makakita ang mga tao ana kay dili makakaiba mo lamoy sa kanang kuan sa celery. Bye.